In this video, I will show you how to clear cache on iPhone with iOS 26. If your iPhone storage is running low or your phone feels slow, clearing cache can definitely help. There are three ways to clear cache on your iPhone. First, we will clear Safari browser cache. First, open Settings app. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. From the apps list, find Safari and now tap on Safari to open. Now scroll down and under History and Website Data, tap on Clear History and Website Data. Now on the screen, select All History, enable Close All Tabs, and now tap on Clear History button. This clears all cache data stored by Safari browser. If you use Google Chrome, you can clear cache directly from Chrome app as well. Next, we will clear cache for apps that are using a lot of storage. Now go back and under Settings, tap on General. Now tap iPhone Storage and here you will find a list of all the apps installed on your iPhone. Now scroll through the apps list and find the app that is taking more space. For example, ProTech app is using 2.7 GB of data. Just tap on app. Now tap on Offload app. Tap on Offload app again. Now wait for a couple of seconds. And now tap on Reinstall app to install again. This removes cache data while keeping your account and data intact. Once done, you will notice the app size is much smaller after reinstalling. Next, we will clear system cache using force restart. Some cache is stored as system data and you can use force restart method to clear it. To force restart your iPhone, press and release volume up, then press and release volume down, and finally press and hold side button until you see the Apple logo. Keep holding the button even if you see slide to power off option. Once Apple logo appears, release the button. This force restart helps clear temporary system cache and can free up the space. So that is how you can clear cache on your iPhone running iOS 26 to free up storage and improve performance. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.